Hi friends, this is Ashish. I am a fitness coach and we are starting the series of some undervalued benefits of strengthening exercise. And in this video, we are covering two major benefits of that. So first major benefit is immunity. आजकल हम ये वर्ड बहुत सुन रहे हैं, सबके मुंह से सुन रहे हैं, but studies had found that the strength training exercises helps the person to increase the WBC count in their body after the training. So the rise in the WBC count helps the body to improve the immune system to fight against the disease and flushes out the bacteria easily, deliberately from our body. And the second benefit is the cholesterol management, blood cholesterol management in our body. जब भी हम लोग कोई लिपिड प्रोफाइल का रिपोर्ट देखते हैं सो उस पर कुछ टर्म्स होते हैं LDL, VLDL. This is nothing but the bad cholesterol of our body, and the HDL, which is the good cholesterol of our body. So the strength training exercise basically helps us, that afterward effect of strength training exercise help us to improve the good cholesterol in our body and decrease the bad cholesterol in our body. And how this happens basically, after the 12 weeks of consistent strength training, our body learns to use the triglyceride and the cholesterol to their metabolic needs. So these major cycles gives us to improve the cholesterol in our body in better way. So thank you. Hi friends, in this video let's understand the third undervalued benefit of strength training exercise, and that is brain functioning. Friends, strength training exercises helps to increase the oxygen supply towards the brain, and this strength training releases some hormones in our body which are very important and excellent environment for the formation of new brain cells. And while performing the strength training exercise, there is a change in the length and the velocity of the muscle, which sends some signal to the brain, and this new activity in the CNS system helps to improve the mind, brain and body coordination. And as we age, people start facing some challenges in, let's say, memory recall, or recognizing few people, or recollecting few events, or body balancing and coordination. So all these challenges we can prevent through the consistent strength training exercises. And this the hormones which are created by the strength training exercise, there are few happy hormones is also created in our body which help us to maintain the happy mood. And मैंने आज तक एक भी बंदे को ऐसे नहीं देखा है who is feeling very dull after having the good strength training sessions. So these are the some benefits which strength training helps us. Thank you. Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss the fourth undervalued benefit of strength training exercise, that is the management of PCOS and type 2 diabetes. In these both the cases, there is a common challenge called insulin insensitivity or insulin resistance. So what exactly happens in these cases is the sugar in our body is not used by our body cells because the insulin hormone cannot work properly. For example, if we assume that our body cell is a home having the door with a lock, and insulin is the key to open that lock. So the sugar is not used by the body, it's not enter into the body cell because the insulin key is not working properly. If we see, there is some gums like material is sticks on the lock, so that insulin keys cannot enter properly in that lock and it cannot open. So here the strength training exercises help us not only to open that lock but also to create the new other doors without the lock, so that sugar in our body can be used by that other doors also. So the strength training exercise basically help us, this whole cycle, this whole process is helping us to improve the insulin sensitivity and control the blood sugar in our body. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Ashish, and in this video we are going to discuss the fifth and sixth undervalued benefit of strength training. So fifth one is heart health. We generally do cardio activities for the heart health, but heart is also a muscle. It's an involuntary muscle. So definitely cardio activities help us to increase the size of it, but strength training help us to improve the thickness of the heart wall, especially the left ventricle, and it is very important because it supplies the oxygenated blood to the whole body. And the sixth one is maintaining the bone mineral density. Our body works on one philosophy, that is use it or lose it. So same like muscle, bone also started losing its mass if we don't use it or train it rightly. It is observed that there is a bone loss happens at 1% per year starting from the early 30s. Bones become more porous, which is called osteoporosis, and it is the reason for the bone fracture even at a small fall. In strength training, that resistance get created helps to form the new bone cells. And calcium supplement also is not useful unless that new bone cells are formed. So bone strengthening is a site specific. So therefore we must plan the exercise targeting the maximum muscle group and bone joints. So friends, up till now this is the series of the 4 videos of undervalued benefit of strength training exercises. We must understood that strength training is not only limited to the fat loss or muscle gain, but also it has a very much impact in slowing down the aging process and performing and improving many functions and systems of our body. And WHO, World Health Organization, also has recommended 150 plus minutes of strength training exercise per week. So friends, now we must be consistent with our strength training exercise. Thank you.